Hey guys, so this is my car keys, and all you need to do is push your key from this part the other side like this. Now you can change the battery. It's very simple. You can take it out. Wait. If you have pen, it is very much easy. Yeah, let's remove. Yeah, I got this cap as well, which I have removed it earlier. Now once I get the new battery, I'll install it. So very simple. So this is what I got from ZEPTO, and this is 80 per pack, and we got 2 cells. Let's install it. So once you get the new battery, just push it, and this will go like this. Done. And then let's check once. It's working. So that's it. And then take this and then push it again. So done.